Hey guys, we wanted to take a second to thank all of you for watching our videos. We're fast approaching 100 videos posted. This might actually be the 100th by the time it gets posted. And we've exceeded 10,000 subscribers, which is more than I ever thought we would. So thank you again for following, and as a token of our appreciation, we're running a contest, a bit of a scavenger hunt, a bit of a social media campaign. Click the link down in the description below for the steps that you need to take to win entries into the contest. The harder the steps, the more entries it's worth. So please take a few seconds, click the link, see the details. There are 3 prizes. Everybody that gets entries are going to be put into a random picker, and the first person chosen is going to get a $200 gift card to spend on anything they want in the store. We ship worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you're from. Second prize is going to be a $100 gift card, and third is 50 bucks. So again, thank you all for watching. Continue to like and subscribe, and leave us some comments down below. Take care.